software. So first of all, what is a software? How to develop the software? Software can be developed by developers only. They will write programs, something. Either they can use Java, or .NET or PHP or something they are using. Yes, sir. Something they are using. That is software. So generally software means how to develop the software. There is one life cycle is there. SDLC. Software development life cycle. It describes how to develop a software. How to develop a software within a specified cost and time. So later I will tell this SDLC full detailed knowledge. Present today demo, it is the introduction part. That's why I'm telling just what is a software, how to develop that, what I want to cover in this course, those things only I will explain to you. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, now see, observe carefully. So here, sir, software development life cycle means, sir, if you computer background, you know, if you're not a computer background, no problem. BA will be there. He will take all requirements. BA full form is business analyst. He will gather all the requirements that make document as a BRS or SRS or URS. BRS means business requirement specification. SRS means software system requirement specification. URS full form user requirement. So my BA is interact with the client and he will take all the requirements. Sir, what BRS describes, what SRS, those things, later on I will tell that story. Later on I will tell that story. Okay, BA and those things. Sir, once BA completed, system analyst will do analysis. He will requirement analysis. He will prepare one documentation that is called as FRS, functional requirement specification. After the design activity which will come, we will do designing. At that time, we will prepare GUI and the database. So GUI means already we know this is front-end application. So what we are seeing that is called as front-end GUI, graphical user interface. So for every application, two ends are there, front-end and back-end. Same like the front-end technologies are different, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript like that. Back-end technologies are there, databases. SQL, Oracle. So whenever I open page, front-end, what we are seeing that is. So every application of two ends are there, that is they can maintain. After that, developer will come into picture. He will do coding. At the time of coding, one software is ready. Now quality analyst will come into the picture. Now we are doing testing. That is called a system testing. So just here I am telling only SDLC pages only. Later I will give you full knowledge. Just what is the testing means, sir? Testing is one of the page in SDLC. That is I want to tell. What is system testing? One software given by developers. Is it properly working or not based on client requirements? That is called the testing concept. Simple. See, if anybody asking what is the testing means, testing is one important phase of SDLC, software development life cycle. In that we have to do testing. Yes. So that is called like the testing came into the picture. In olden days, developer only responsible to test application. It is a very problem. No guarantee for quality. That's why nowadays every company using separate testing team, QA people, quality analyst. Sir, once we complete a testing, we are given to the client. Client will also do same thing. That is called as UAT, user acceptance testing. Once client is also satisfied, release and maintenance. So this is general SDLC life cycle, software developed. Sir, later on one big chapter is there. Today just introduction part, that's why I'm given just to overview about all these. Yes, sir. Just to overview I'm given. Later on I will tell full knowledge. Who is BA? What is his roles? What is BRS? What it contains? Who is system analyst? What he will do? What is FRS? What it contains? What is the role of design architecture? What document they are preparing? So what is the doing done? Coding will be done by developers. Then when software is ready. After the testing will be done by test engineer, QA, quality analyst. That is called a system testing. Next, client will do testing UAT. Sir, relation. This is just SDLC introduction part of me. So do you know again, in SDLC different models are there. 9 models I will tell to you. Waterfall, prototype, incremental, spiral model, RAD model, Big Bang, Fish model, V model. 9 models will be there. So waterfall, prototype, incremental, spiral, RAD, Big Bang, Fish, Agile. 9 models I will tell to you in this course. Okay, so that is today is the first class introduction only. What is a testing? Then you can get clarity. What is testing means? Whatever is there, is it properly working or not working based on our requirement, that is called as a testing. Whether it is a pen or it is a bike, it's a car, it's mobile, it's grapes, it's sweets, whatever. From the person birth to death, n number of testing activities are performing. Every day also we are performing so many testing activities. So many testing activities we are doing every day. So same thing you can apply to the software testing. Same thing for software testing. So first of all, what is a software? Collection of programs is called as a software. So to develop software, there is life cycle is the SDLC. Requirements, analysis, design, coding, testing, release, and maintenance. In SDLC, whatever models are there, 9 models will be there. Waterfall, prototype, incremental, spiral, RAD, Big Bang, Fish, V, Agile. Now, sir, whatever software testing technique, the software testing methods are there. Any company, they're using 2 methods. One is manual testing. Second one is automation testing. Whatever companies, there only 2 are there, manual and automation. So what is manual? Manual means without any tool, without any programming, we have to test an application, that is called as manual testing. Yes. Without any tools, sir, no programming, nothing required. Without any automation tool, as a TE means test engineer. Test engineer interact with an application to check the application functional behavior. That is called as manual testing. Here, no tool, no programming. So what we have to do? We have to write test cases. Sir, entire manual testing, the only important thing is what is a test case, how to write test cases, and how many types of test cases are there. Only those things are important at the time of manual testing. Nothing. Don't bother about that. If you don't know anything about the computer and if you don't know anything about the knowledge about all these, you don't bother about that. My Huna, I will take care about everything. Because only thing is here, you have to do only theoretical part of everything, no programming, nothing, no coding. Anyone can do manual testing. Even if you are from non-IT background also, no problem. So if anybody is there, non-IT background, like EC, Triple E, mechanical, you can use chat panel, sir. You can use chat panel, or else you can unmute it. You can unmute and you can speak, no problem. Yes, Akash, Srihas, okay, very good, nice, no problem. See, even though you came from non-IT background, I am from electrical engineer, very good, nice. See, that is I am telling now. Even though you came from electrical or ECE or aeronautical civil engineering, anyone can survive in the testing field because of testing is that much easy. Suppose Akash, you can go to Java course or you can go to Python or you can go to Angular.net. BBA also, no problem. BBA, MBA, any degree or Haritha Reddy, MBA, very nice. Yeah, I know, because sir, in the testing side, most of the students coming from non-IT background people only. Because see, who are telling non-IT students, if you go to Java or if you go to .NET, yes, okay, see, very good, nice. Sir, whatever background is there, if you want to go to coding side, if it is a Java or Python, .NET, Angular, then it is very difficult. But testing means very simple here. Testing means, see, what is a test case? Suppose there is a login page is there. See, suppose there is a, in my application, there is a login page is there. I want to take the login page. So I can enter username, password, and click on login button. Valid usernames, invalid passwords. Like that in Excel file, we have to write test case. So here, what I'm telling, we have to write test cases. I will show sample test case. See this. It's very simple, just like English language only. Just like English language only. See this. I want to verify a login page. How can I verify? Enter username, enter password, click on login button. What you are expecting from the system? If it is a valid username, valid password, login should be successful. If it is invalid, it will go wrong. See the test case. How it's very simple. Just like English like language only, it is a see. Test case. Sir, wrong username means wrong username, correct password. Correct username, wrong password. Both invalid. See, second one. Enter valid username, valid password. Click on login button. Login should be successful. So like that, we have to write test cases in simplest way. That is called as a test case. Our user action system response will be mentioned into a document that is called as a test case only. So manual testing, we don't bother about that. But the problem is, so at the time of automation, test engineer and application is there, but between one tool is there. I will give instruction to the tool. Tool will performing an application. Application tool will give result. Which tool? There are so many tools are there. The tool UTP or UFT now the name changed. Or the tool is Selenium. Or the tool is Lisa. The tool is Toaster. The tool is Cucumber. The tool is anything. So what is automation? Automation means, yes, sir. Suppose there is one shopping mall is there. You can go for shopping for a complex. 6th floor building is there. If you want to go to the 6th floor, you can use either steps or you can use either lift. You can use escalator. By using normal steps means it is a manual. By using lift or accelerator means that is automation. Yes or no? So by using automation, it's very simple. We can save time, everything. Sir, here we have to write test scripts. You have to write test scripts. So automation means the process of converting manual test cases into test scripts with the help of tool is called as automation. But here some programming knowledge is required, sir. Very important. Selenium with Java. Again, don't think, sir, we came for testing. Again, you are telling about Java means. If whenever telling Java, Python, students will got shivering. Java again came like that. Don't bother about that. As a tester, complete Java is not required. Minimum basic Java only, core Java basics. So whatever core Java basics required for you, that Java concepts I will cover to you. Yes, whatever Java required for you, that I will cover. So any company, whatever company is there, only two types of testings are there: manual testing and automation. In entire manual testing, we have to write all test cases. In automation, those test cases we can convert into the test scripts with the help of some tool is called as automation. Sir, why automation? What are advantages? Later on I will tell. Like we can save the time. Scripts are repeatable. Accuracy in results. Tool will provide test report. Those many things will come. At the time of automation testing, I will explain all those things for you. What is automation? What are advantages are there? Why we go for automation instead of manual? Those things also I will cover to you. So only, sir, at the time of automation, do one thing. Even your AC background or MBA, whatever is there, no problem. But practice is more important here. More practice is required here. Yes, because if BSc student practicing, less practicing, as a non-native people, you have to do more practice only. That is only very important thing here, remaining nothing. Sir, as a tester, what knowledge you can require for you? Sir, everyone first to manual testing is required. Without manual testing, no interview. So manual means completely theoretical part only. See that whatever chapters are there, I will show. At the time of manual testing, complete theoretical part, only theory only. No programming, nothing in the manual testing. Yes. Voice is very low. Okay. I am speaking low, that's why it's coming. You can, yes, see here. Observe carefully. Okay. So now observe carefully. Here, see. At the time of manual testing, completely theoretical part only. What I want to discuss with you is, this is the concept I want to discuss with you. First, introduction part. Introduction to the software testing, software development process, project versus product, software quality, testing methods, roles and responsibilities. Next chapter, SDLC. Just now I'm given introduction, software development life cycle. What is SDLC? How many life cycles are there? Waterfall model, prototype model, incremental, spiral model, RAD model, Big Bang Fish V model. Testing methodologies, three are there: white box, black box, gray box. So after that, see, testing levels are there. Yes, after this testing levels, review on requirements, review on design, unit testing, integration, system, UAT. Along with this, some testing techniques are there: smoke testing, sanity, retesting, regression error, software testing life cycle. So how SDLC is there, same like the test DLC is also there, software testing life cycle. Software development life cycle will be decided how to develop one software based on requirements. Software testing life cycle is how to test one application. Sir, you don't write any notes, nothing. Okay, I will share this material to you. See, I prepared material. What is the software testing? What is a defect? What is bug failure? Everything with the diagrams, everything PDF is there. I will share this document to you. Once payment, everything completed, documents I will provide it, recordings I will do, everyday recording you will get. So every diagrams, everything material I prepared. So first what I was telling to you is manual testing first one. Without manual testing, one is gone. Okay. Sir, without manual testing, there is no interview. So compulsory, every person manual testing is required. Next, automation. At the time of automation, we can use Selenium with Java. Selenium with Java. So that is I'm telling now. Java means don't feel difficult. Whatever Java concepts required for you, I will take care about those Java concepts and everything. You don't bother about that. Yes, sir. Whatever Java, Swarupa, what happened? Any net issue? So, whatever Java is required for you, those Java concepts, I will take care of that. Basic Java, sir. So that is Selenium with the Java. Once it is done, sir, real time what is happening? Real time project means, see, sir, project means don't think, oh, SAR is telling a HMS project, banking project like that, don't think. Real time, what the things is going on there, that is I am telling. Once you get the job, what is the process is going on there? Sir, see, 1 second, sorry, sir. Selenium course content, sorry. Right click, open PDF. Sir, for everything, materials I will provide it to you. Sir, first, this is the basic Selenium. This is introduction to Selenium. What is Selenium? What are components are there? How to make Selenium tool? Okay, how to develop the scripts? What is a Java? Core Java basic. That is I'm telling now. What is a class? What is object? Whatever data types are there. Errors declaration. Object-oriented programming. What is JUnit? What is object repository? WebDriver, TestNG, like these things I will cover. This is the basic. See, complete materials are there. You don't write anything, just concentrate and class whatever I'm telling and whatever programs I'm telling, just you can practice it enough. This is the Selenium. How to configure, everything is there. Just what you want to do is just you can listen classes, just you can practice. Next to real time, third content. So these three contents, this is very important, sir. For example, if you want to claim any experience, like 2 years or 3 years, sometimes fake experiences, students general in the testing said they are using fake experience. Don't bother, we can manage it. Yes, if you have gap is there, then only. Sir, suppose I have 2 years gap is there, I have 3 years gap is there. Then only this is okay, fine. Otherwise not required. But once you get the job, this is very important thing. What is a Maven project? How to create it? What is the framework structure will be there in real time? How to configure drivers? What is Log4j? How to use Apache POI files? What is a property file? Whatever reusable functions are there. What is a page factory? What is a listeners? Sir, after getting job, these concepts only. If anybody, your seniors or your brother, sisters, if anybody is working, show this content. Is it enough or not for the testing? It is enough maximum. Max to max, it is enough. Maximum, this is enough, sir. Once you practice it, Pakka will give assurance 99 to 100%, you will get the job. Definitely. When not after completion of course, whenever you can practice, then only you will get the job, sir. So because after completion of course, sir, my course completed, but if you're not getting job, sir, means no. Are you getting it? Getting it, everyone? Yes, because see, only thing is, sir, first of all, in your mind, you can delete programming, degramming, all these you can delete in your mind. Yes, whatever I am telling concept, just you can practice it. Definitely, you will get the job. Pakka will go because all my old students, so many they got the job. How they are getting jobs? When once you practice it very well, then only, not after completion of course, because after 60 days, this course duration is 2 months. 2 months is the duration. Materials, soft copy will give. Pre-recorded videos will give. Everyday recording they will provide. Suppose first time if you are not getting concept, no problem. I have 3 batches are there, morning 7:15 onwards. Morning 7:15 batch, sorry, 7 o'clock batch is there, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, now this time. Evening 5, 6, 2 batches are there. Suppose if you are not getting it, again, listen one more time, no problem. Because now everyone is in the home only. If it is a software engineer, also work from home only. Yes. So daily 1 hour session. Sir, but initial days I am taking 45 minutes only. 10:30 to 11:15 the session. Now until 1 week only. After that 1 hour every day. Yes, that is I am telling. Class timing 10:30 to 11:30 actually the time every day. But present initial, yes, I will tell please also. But initial it is a what we are calling demo sessions. That's a 40 minutes I will take later. Sir, fees and everything our team will mail you. Fees and details. You call to this number, I will give one number. There is some Alki, the person name is. Please contact this number. They will give full details to you. 7207 21 2427. Call to this number. They will give full details to you. So my side, I will give once payment completed. I will give my all pre-recorded videos, materials I will provide it. Everyday recording our team will give to you. Suppose if anybody is missing class 1 day, 2 days, yes. Once payment completed, fees paid, I will take all your numbers. I will create a group, WhatsApp group. In that, if any class updates, any changes are there, those things I will update in that group. Materials, whatever documents are required, those I can post it in that group, in that group. So that is my side, what I want to provide it to you. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. You can type in chat panel. Fees and everything, our team will inform you. You will get the mails. Or else you can call to that number. She will give complete details to you. For my side, any queries, any doubts are there, then you can ask me. Any type of doubts. Sir, even from IT na, non-IT na, don't bother about that. Okay, na. Testing is very simple. Anyone can survive it in the testing area. Don't bother about that. Sir, any yes. Sir, I did know Java, but it is required for yes, required Manju, required. That's why I'm telling now, whatever is there, if you don't anything, don't bother about that. I will take care about those things. Yes, whatever Java is required to you, those concepts I will take care. Every day 1 hour class, or else it will extend it by another 1 hour. No, every day 1 hour only, Vijayalakshmi. Every day 1 hour. It's not extended 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Daily 1 hour is the session. Any more doubts? One by one. Akash, Brahma, Chandrasekhar, Harita Reddy, Nilima, Manju, Swarupa. Sir, today just introduction only. If anybody is missing, don't bother about that. Don't bother about that. If anybody, just introduction I am given only. Today I am not telling any subject. Tomorrow I will start subject. Today what I am telling, what is testing, what is a software, what is SDLC, how many pages are there, whatever SDLC models are there, how many software testing methods are there, only 2 types, manual and automation. What is manual, what is automation, and what is the course duration, what I want to provide the materials, the recordings, fees details and everything I am provided here. Brahma, first saving with Java is important. Without saving with Java, if you go for saving with Python, no. First saving with Java only. Once you expert in this area, then saving with Python is easy. Okay, now Brahma, first saving with Java is important. If you know saving with Java, if you are interested, then you can go to saving with Python. That Java programs conversion to Python is very easy. Yes. Without Java, then don't go for Python. Once Java is there, then you can go that. Sir, everyone clear? Thanks for attending demo. Tomorrow subject will be started. Okay, 1 or 2 demos you can morning class. I will give the link to Chandrasekhar. Which batch you want required, I can give the links. Okay, na morning 7:15 class I will give, evening batch links I will give. If you are not getting it, attend the another class also. Automation only, Manju, because what you texted Harita Reddy. Yes, Manju, automation only, manual project not required, manual testing only we can do. Yes, recorded videos when you will provide, sir, end of the class or end of the course. Once you pay the fees, immediately I will give recordings Harita Reddy. Once you pay the payment, immediately I will give Google Drive access to all the recordings. Everyday class recording means once class completed, end of the day, you will get the recording, end of the day. Because once class completed, the record can be converted to some MP4 format. It will take some time. So daily recording, end of the day. But once payment completed, all recordings I will give directly to your mail ID, recordings and materials. So both are same only. Both are same only, but already one set I prepared. No. BDD we are not covered. Cucumber is the different course. Cucumber is the different course. 30 days course. It is a house Selenium 30 days course. Same Cucumber is the different course. Here I am not telling any Cucumber. So once payment done, I will get the mail IDs immediately. I will give Google Drive access materials and pre-recorded videos. Just go through that one. That is enough. Same. See, in the classroom, whatever I am telling, same thing in the videos also. But sir, everyday recording means just every day end of the session, our team will give the recording. Sir, thanks for attending demo, everyone. So tomorrow onward, subject will be started. Attend one more class tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can attend. From Wednesday onwards, you can pay the money. If you are okay, if you are satisfied with my lecture and everything, then you can start with your payments and everything. Once payment done, this weekend by Saturday, I will take all your members. Then I can create the group. In the group, interview questions, FAQs, and if the students have any doubts, those things we can forward it. Sir, how can we clear our doubts? Yes, in the classroom, you can ask Swarupa, whatever doubts is there. Whenever I'm explanation, you can ask that doubt. I will read your doubt. So remaining guys also will get the clarification. How you are typing? Same thing. No class on Sunday. Sunday, no classes. Okay. So whenever you have doubt, immediately you can type. Or else you can, I will give chance to unmute. You can ask me, sir, you can unmute. I will unmute you. You can ask doubt to. Remaining student also will listen that doubt. So everyone will clarify that one. Don't bother about that. Doubts, clarification, everything I will take care. Yes. Doubts and everything, you forget about it. I will take care about doubts, programming ways, everything. Those things, okay? Okay, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy today. So tomorrow, 10:30, see the first topic. This is. First topic is, sir, who is these two persons? Anybody knows about those? Who is the two persons in the material? Same link only. Srihas, same link. Today, how you join? Same link only. Until Saturday, same link. Today, whatever link you join, the same link. Okay, Srihas. Sir, everyone, you can join the same link only. Same link. Don't go for another. Sir, do you know who are these two persons? This person and this person. Don't know? Ayo. The PDF, yes, Brahma, very good. Yes. This is the Durga sir, left side, right side I am. Okay, this is the Durga sir. Right side, this is me. Red shirt, black shirt. Red shirt, Durga sir, black shirt, me only. Okay, guys, okay. Tomorrow you can join. Tomorrow, first topic, subject will be started. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Yeah, bye.